Welcome back. My name is Dr. Carl Baird, and today I'll be demonstrating the baby squat exercise. This is one of my favorite hip mobilization exercises. I usually use it in the warm-up to stretch out the hips and stretch out the hamstrings, but it's also a great way to practice and ingrain that squat patterning. So to perform, it's pretty easy. You're just gonna start standing, and you can go ahead and bring your hands to the floor. So it's okay with this one to round your lower back. It's okay to bend the knees if you need to get your hands flat on the floor. But from there, all you're gonna do, keeping your hands on the floor, you're gonna drop your hips and bring your chest up. And then bring those hips up and round everything forward again. And you're just gonna move back and forth through this movement. It's called the baby squat because if you've ever been around a baby, this is kind of how they learn to get into that squat position. This is the movement here. So to really do this exercise perfectly, you have to include the song that goes with it. And so as you're doing this exercise, all you got to sing to yourself is baby squat do 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 do, baby squat do 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 do, baby squat do 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 do. And once you've gone through that enough that it's sufficiently stuck in you for your head for the rest of the day, you're good to go. So that's all I got for you. That's the baby squat exercise. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments below. Thank you again so much for watching. Appreciate it. Hey, it's Dr. Baird here. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page to catch all our videos designed to help you build the strength and confidence to live active, healthy, and happy lives. You won't find it anywhere else.